Welcome to the MEAI ecosystem. In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your WhiteBIT account to our products, such as Centico, using a secure read-only API key. First, log into your WhiteBIT account. Go to the user menu in the top right corner and select API keys. Click on the Generate New Key button. Give your key a clear label like Centico Tracking. In the permissions settings, make sure to enable only the read-only access. This allows Centico to securely view your balance and transaction history without any permission to trade or withdraw your funds. After clicking Generate, you will need to complete the security verification via email or 2FA. Once confirmed, your API key and secret key will appear. It is critical to copy and save both keys immediately in a safe place, as the secret key will be hidden forever after you close this window. Finally, enter these keys into your Centico dashboard to sync your assets. Your integration with the MEAI ecosystem is now complete and secure.